Welcome to our channel. Today we how to start managing expenses with a credit card from Wells Fargo. Full guide step by step clearly. To start managing expenses with a credit card from Wells Fargo, begin by selecting the right credit card for your financial needs. Visit the Wells Fargo website and explore their credit card offerings. Consider your spending habits and choose a card that provides the best rewards or benefits. Once you've made your selection, complete your application online. Provide the necessary personal information, including your income and employment details. After submitting your application, wait for the approval decision. Once approved, review your credit card terms and conditions carefully. Familiarize yourself with the interest rates, fees, and any rewards programs. Next, activate your credit card by following the instructions that come with it. Log into your Wells Fargo online banking account. If you don't have an account, create one by providing your credit card information and personal details. After activating your card, set up automatic payments to avoid late fees. You can schedule these payments through the Wells Fargo online portal. To manage your expenses effectively, categorize your spending. Use the Wells Fargo mobile app or online banking tools to track your purchases in real time. Set monthly spending limits for different categories like dining, shopping, and entertainment. Review your account statements regularly to identify any unnecessary expenditures. Consider using your credit card for recurring payments to build credit history. Make it a habit to pay off your balance in full each month to avoid interest charges. Plan to review your credit report annually to check for discrepancies. Finally, adjust your spending plan as needed based on your financial goals and lifestyle changes. By following these steps, you can leverage your Wells Fargo credit card to manage your expenses effectively. Stay disciplined and make your credit card work for you. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.